If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. Strat. So this is the tallest building in Las Vegas. 109 level. Crazy. Alright. And as you can see, what a view. And yes it is. Wow. Crazy. So you all, this is the top of the world at Las Vegas. With the Stratosphere Tower. Unfortunately that's closed down. Really, really cool. Alright, so here we are at the top of the Strat, or the Stratosphere. It has some of the highest, and most thrilling rides at Las Vegas, well, in Las Vegas. That right there is the crazy ride that tips you down. I'm gonna try to get a better view of it when somebody else gets on, but yeah, crazy. Alright folks, as you all can see, so we have Extreme right behind me. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Woo. Wild. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.